Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're gonna have a little bit of a story time. Something that happened to me and my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, the title is correct. I dropped my Galaxy S23 Ultra hard, and I mean hard, and not just on any regular flat surface, but a rocky road, a very rocky road. No, I'm not talking about the ice cream, but an actual street road with a lot of gravel on it, some rocks bigger than others, and I dropped this phone hard on that road to the point where I got really scared actually, because even with the case and tempered glass screen protector, I mean, the loudness that came from that fall, it kind of scared me to where I thought the phone broke, even with the case on and tempered glass screen protector. But luckily, I was using this same exact case that you're seeing here right here, my D brand grip case, and the same exact screen protector that I'm using right here, my Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector. And luckily, they did their job, especially the screen protector that I have right here on this display. Rather than the actual display getting damaged, the screen protector itself took the damage for my display. And I'll throw up a little bit of B-roll right here so you can get a close-up on this. But if you look up at the top right corner, you can see where the damage was taken by the screen protector. And like I said, this is where the screen protector was doing its job. It was able to take all of that damage right there up at the top right, keeping my actual screen on this device protected. So the screen itself is perfectly fine. But, you know, of course, this screen protector is busted up at the top right, and then I got spider cracks just kind of going, you know, all the way across from right to the left. But I mean, hey, it did its job. That is the point of using a screen protector. So the screen protector will take the damage rather than your display on your device itself. Now, I have done drop tests with this D brand grip case right here on this exact device, and my Galaxy S23 Ultra came out of that drop test perfectly fine, still looking like brand new. But I always mention this when doing my drop test when it comes to very protective cases, even non-protective cases. No matter what case you're using, if you happen to drop your phone flat down on its face and there's rocks on the floor, there's a chance that one of those rocks might just be big enough to where it will be bigger than the lift that your case provides. So it's gonna hit that display no matter what, whether it's in the middle, up here at the top right corner, right, left, bottom. If that rock is bigger than the lift that you're getting from the case itself, I mean, there's no doubt about it, you're gonna get damage to your display. Unless, of course, you have one of those cases that provide, a screen protector that comes with the case. But even then, there's still a chance that your display will still get damaged. So luckily, I did have this tempered glass screen protector on, and it did its job. And the way this story went was, it was early in the morning. This was like 2 mornings ago. It was early in the morning. I was riding my bike down on a road with, tons of gravel, tons of rock. I had my hat in the basket in the front. I had my phone in the hat just to kind of hold it so I can see the map. And I happened to go over a little bump that I didn't see because it was still kind of dark outside. And the phone just, boom, popped up really high and boom, just landed on the ground hard. And I was still going on my bike, and I had to slam on the brakes on my bike. And I was looking back, hoping nothing happened to my phone, hoping no cars come by that are gonna run over my phone and just make the damage worse, whatever that damage was at the time, because I didn't even know. All I know is that my phone fell super hard on some rocks on the floor, and I was scared, but I picked it up, I was looking at it, and I was surprised how well this case and screen protector right here protected my device. And I'm still using the screen protector right here. I'm gonna wait till I can get my replacement on there, because you never know when accidents are gonna happen. So not only was this video just to kind of share this short story with you, but to kind of encourage you to, if you can at least use a case, use a case. If you can at least use a screen protector, use a screen protector, if not both, because I mean, accidents can happen. I mean, obviously not all the time. Even me, I don't always use a case on my phone. There's times where, if I go out for dinner or wherever I'm going, if I know I'm gonna be in a safe place or whatever, then I won't throw a case on the phone. That way, the phone fits easier in my pocket. But if I know I'm gonna be out doing something to where my phone can possibly get a good amount of damage, then I'll make sure to have a case on there. I'll do my best to make sure I have a good screen protector on my device. Again, Whitestone Dome glass, my go-to screen protector for all of my device. Now I have links down in the description below for this case and screen protector in case you do want to check it out. No, this is not a sponsored video, but these are the accessories that I was using when that really hard fall did happen. And yeah, my phone's fine, still functions perfectly. Cameras are still working good. So there's no problems with the device at all. I just got to replace that tempered glass screen protector. But I do encourage you, as much as possible, use a tempered glass screen protector if you can. If it does fit into your budget, or even, I mean, even if it's not tempered glass screen protector, just use a screen protector if you can. Or if you can at least use a case, then use a case if you don't like screen protectors. At least the case will give you somewhat of a lift to where if you do accidentally drop it on its face, hopefully not on rocks, it will still protect your display and hopefully give it enough lift to where it doesn't hit the surface. But that's just my little short story, just something to encourage you all, like, hey, accidents happen, keep your device protected. Luckily, I had these accessories on and my Galaxy S23 Ultra is still good. It's live to die another day. But if you're someone who's had any crazy accidents with your smartphone, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm really curious to see if there's anybody else out there who, you know, possibly had something worse happen to your device, which I'm sure there is. I mean, even me, I've had my whole front display shattered before I even had a chance to throw a screen protector on it. I believe it was my Note 20 Ultra that happened to within like the first week of having it, I believe. First 1 or 2 weeks or first few days of having it. I can't really remember, but it was early into having that phone to where my whole front display was just shattered. So yes, accidents do happen. I'm really curious to hear all of your stories. Let me know down in the comment sections below. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you did like this little story and maybe found this a little bit of encouragement helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come, because I have tons more videos coming by the end of this, or, you know, for the rest of this year and into next. I got tons of videos coming. Just make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.